Now, during shipping, this printer's motherboard became total. No, I'm gonna redo that. That was, yeah. But a couple years ago, we finally began to see improvements to the design. Looks really did it for me. Good. What is crawling on my neck? Oh, nothing. Must be one of the hairs from this No Shave November. Growing legs or something. I was very concerned when I started to use the M5C, but quickly after I began using it, in order to have a finalized product, short-term memory loss here. You need to have, oh yeah, okay. In order to have a finalized product, you need to have all of your I's dotted and your T's crossed. And when you look at a car, you don't see the car's frame because it's covered in sleek painted body panels. Wait, no, as an example. Oh yeah, as an example, okay, yeah, okay. And some other examples are gonna be your household appliances like your refrigerator, dishwasher. And some other examples are going to be your refrigerator, dishwasher, or other household appliances because But when you look at a 3D printer, when you push a button or you tap the screen, that is the only way that you have a connection to the device you're using. So to me, it absolutely must be lush with high definition must be lush with a high definition screen. No. Okay, you need to stop walking around. You're being loud. If you're going to be in the video like you always are, stop being loud. Good cat. Just sit. Just sit. If you want to be here, then don't walk over things and make a lot of noise. I know, I'm being mean by telling you to be still. Good.
You win!
I say that because the X gantry has a plug and a connector built directly into it. So during assembly, you are required to plug the gantry in. Well,
it's a mistake.
And it still doesn't end there because no.
What?
I think this is a problem that we need to solve right now. So please hit the, no. I think this is a problem. Hey Pepper, you're finally being in a video again. It's been like 2 months. Crazy. When you look at a spec sheet, the hardware differences between the Ender, no?
We're my sister's new 3D print.
Oh, I messed that up. No, delete. Gosh, I'm sorry. You probably cut that and then now I have to delete it. I'm sorry. No.
Hi guys, welcome to Nat Jerry. Today Jerry will demo as how to pet a wild pepper.
You look like a shrimp laying on the ground. So now we're in a... If you are though... No.